Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that I've tried. I tried it on, what? Saturday? Friday? I think. This is... This is Mamee Shinsegae Habanero Kimchi Jjigae, and this is part of a challenge I did called the Can or Not Challenge 2. And so there's this one, and then there's this is the Habanero Kimchi Jjigae, and then there's the Habanero Chicken one, which is more like, this one's a soup, the other one is a dry noodle. So today we will make this one, and I've already done the spicy noodle mukbang, so if you look for that you'll find it. So you put the noodles in there, well, if you're me. I took it apart, I took pictures, I scanned packaging, but at home you guys probably won't be doing that. Unless you're a nut job like me and you like to review instant noodles. And here's a liquid sachet. But we don't deal with that until later. So we're gonna look over here. And hopefully let's not spill our liquid. And we'll add the water. And we spilled it all over the stove, which, I don't know, some days I have no issue with that, and some days I do. So, it's 4 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it go for 5. I'll leave this, yeah, where'd that go? We'll just do this. We did a little bit of moving it around. Let go! Let's slap this on top and call it good for now. Move it to the side. So, yeah, I was telling you last time I got a really, really bad sunburn. That sucked. Bad. But it's over with for the most part. I still feel funky today, but... And today, it's nice out. Not as nice as it was the other day. I mean, it was in the... It hit 89 on Sunday, which is unbelievably hot for Washington State. Everything just smells like paint or burnt salad. Like, Eastern Washington, yeah, they get that heat. But Western, not so much. Especially in May, early May. Nah, that's kind of weird. Definitely more of summer weather, more late June, July. But anyways, yeah, that was brutal. But I'm alive. I'm gonna live. What else is going on? Oh, we keep going to Safeway, and there's a lady there. I won't say her name because I'm sure there's at least one or two of you who watch locally. But she's younger, I guess, but she is always just so cranky. Oh my god. She was complaining about how much she hates working with younger people. And she sits there and tells me this whole story about how I just can't stand working with teenagers and blah 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 blah. I thought she was just gonna leap over the counter and then run across the way and then beat the crap out of a coworker. She was so mad. I'm serious. It was just ridiculous. And this is kind of like, we've seen this before at Safeway. There was a guy at the one up in Anacortes, and he was just complaining about some guy who came in and, what did he call him? He called him a dickish douche. It's like, okay. And then there was a guy at the one in Edmonds who was complaining about, was that in Edmonds or was that here? That was here. This big dude, and he was saying like, he saw some like dude who was kind of a punk, and he like asked where the cigarettes were, and the guy like, after he's done doing that and all that, the guy at the checkout kind of does an aside with me, and he's like, yeah, see that? I don't like that kind of people in here. And I'm like, whoa. And then he's like, people like that, that's why I'm getting my concealed carry permit, because of people like that. I'm like, what did this guy even do? Why are you even mentioning crap like this? It's nuts. It is absolutely nuts just how, I mean, granted, if you work at a grocery store and have to deal with really, really, really annoying customers, because I've seen the other end of the coin too. I've seen people, there was a guy in front of me in line, a week or so ago, and you know, they have to ask, do you want your Monopoly tickets? Do you need help out? Would you like to make a donation? And every time they did what they were supposed to do, I mean, they don't make the rules, but they were doing it. Every time he just got more and more angry. Look, I just want to get my groceries and get the hell out of here. I don't need to talk to you. I'm just like, it's got to be hard working in retail and dealing with just like, you never know what you're going to get next. And you get say the first person of the day you get is somebody who's just like totally irate, totally talking down to you like you're worthless and absolutely a piece of crap and like you're worth nothing. That's gonna ruin your whole day. I mean, who wants to go to work and get yelled at? You know? Especially if it's because, well, we need all of you to, you know, talk about the deal where, you know, people can donate the rest of their dollar roundup for this or that. You know, you've heard it when you go to the grocery store. Some people just don't want that interaction, and that's fine, but there's different ways to go about it, you know? You can be a nice person. So, I get that part. I get that. But this lady, it's like whenever I get in her line, I try to be as cheery and nice and personable as possible. And she is just like totally, just a freaking dark, angry cloud on the horizon. Oh my God. But they've got some people that work there that are really, really nice. That, you know, they always ask if they don't remember, what's your daughter's name? And then they'll come around the front of the counter and talk to my daughter. You know, it's like, that's nice. I like that. Granted, there was more of that before the whole COVID deal, but, and you know, but yeah, that was nice. I missed that. But there's just like this whole I don't know. And then the tickets. The tickets were the kind of the clincher the other day, at least for me. I think they're getting a lot of crap now because, like, for one thing, I've got 2 coupons for a 4-pack of free batteries, right? And they're Safeway brand. So I'm like, oh, well, they don't have any 4-packs, so I grab an 8-pack. I'm like, well, it's for 2 4-packs. Can you just, like, put them together for this? No. I'm like, really? Okay. I think they're expecting that I'm just going to, like, flip out because some people will. No, I don't flip out about it. And it was like, yeah, this one's the organic cooking spray. You got the coupon for non-organic. I'm like, really? Okay. And the last one was for, I got these new bins to put my spices and junk in, right? He's like, he scans it. And he's goes like, yeah, it says it's not that. I'm like, no, dude, I swear to God, I know this one's good. This one's good. Trust me. Then he looks at it and he's like, And then he like punches me. Like I don't know why it's not taking it. I don't. And then he like did some button pushy magic and it came through and he just like handed it over. He's like, here you go, have a good day. But like everybody got like, what are these tickets for? One donut, a donut or a bagel from the bakery. We're sorry, but because of the COVID outbreak, we're not giving out donuts or bagels in single serve. You can buy these packages of them. So you go and you bring your coupons in and you see that and it's just like, oh. And then there's like, I've got coupons for panko breading. I go in there and what do they have? None of it. They don't have any. You got a minute amount of time to like use these coupons too, and it sucks. And they don't, the guy was like, well, towards the end of the coupon's life, they'll probably be a little more honorary about things. Here's what the broth looks like. Like I said, I've already done a mukbang of it. It's freaking spicy. It's got a nice tanginess. I mean, it's a kimchi one. It fits the bill on that. Woo! Some of the kimchi. And the noodle. It's a round noodle. And a good consistency. So, I mean, if you want a really, really spicy kimchi one, it's a good go. I'd recommend it, especially if you like the really hot stuff. Yeah. I know some of you are going to be like, that's not even hot. You can say that if you want. I'm going to tell you, it's freaking hot. And it's very red. If you want to see some redness, there you go. That's very red. We're going to add an egg. My daughter's making noise today, as she does every day. But, oh, she's on her tablet. I'm impressed. So we have 3 tablets. We got 2 pink ones and a blue one. Well, guess which one little Mamee wants these days? She wants the blue one. It's like, that's Miles's tablet, dude. Come on. But not big on the sharing lately. Huh, lately. Yeah, I'm my little girl. Okay. Yeah, this isn't too common, I'm guessing, but I think some chashu might be in the mix today. I'm trying to give it a little color. And there it is. Not only that, seems to me a couple slices of ooh, my mouth's still burning off of that sucker, yeah. Of a kamaboko might kind of fit in well here. Spring onion. Now this is from from Malaysia, but you can tell it's a very Korean deal. Shinsegae is a Korean company, and Mamee is a Malaysian company, so they've joined forces to do Mamee Shinsegae. They've got a ghost pepper one that's very popular. Yeah. And I think a little bit of seed. We can do a little rotato time with this track. Alright, well, today is... it's Tuesday. Well, I'm back in it to win it. Have a good one. Bye.